Alright guys, so today I'm going to start off using a Lucky Craft. See if I can get a halibut or a croaker or a bass or whatever to bite in the lagoon. After that, I also brought the my little surf perch set up. So see, just kind of want to get a fish on today. It's been a long time. Last time I was fishing was when I made that video of the trout up in the Sierras about a month ago. So it'd be good to get a line wet. Water's looking nice today. Kind of liking this spot right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I sure can with the polarized lenses here. I don't know if you guys can see through that at all, but it's looking nice. I think I'm gonna start here. Guys, I got this Lucky Craft going. Got I think it's 15-pound mono, just straight mono. I didn't do anything fancy rigging it up. It's just kind of trying to get out here quick. The water's filled with bait fish, so just good to see. This lagoon's kind of been a bit lifeless over the last few months. They've been dredging it a lot, so it's been tough fishing here. Oh, got something, hit it. Missed that. Saw the silver flash. Tide's coming in, getting my feet wet. All right guys, so no real intro today. I just trying to make it easy, trying to put a video out there, trying to get a fish on my line. So yeah, I haven't had much of a chance to fish, like I was saying, walking down here. So it's just kind of what I'm doing. I'm playing with the Lucky Craft. I got one bite so far. But nothing else since, so I think I'm going to go ahead and switch it up to the Berkley Gulp Sandworm, and with the Carolina rig with, I think it's just a 1/4 ounce weight on there. Chuck it out there, see if I can even just get a little nibble from something. Been talking to a couple dudes. The guy down here, he said he caught a little bay bass. The guys down here, a whole group of them, haven't caught anything besides each other's lines. It happens. Yeah, so anyways, that's really about it. I appreciate your guys' patience with me not putting out a video. I've just been busy, so. But I've got a lot of good things to come in the future. Trying to arrange a couple fishing trips for next year up to Alaska and things like that. So if you haven't already, I'd appreciate the subscription. And yeah, let's get back to it. Lots of people fishing today. Pretty day for it. I don't see anybody catching anything, so it always makes a guy feel a little bit better. right, so I threw on a camo colored sandworm. I also threw on a natural colored. I always call those flesh colored, just for fun. Kind of running out of worms. Need to go to the tackle shop. If you're in Carlsbad, Oceanside, Encinitas, Pacific Coast Bait and Tackle, up on the 101 in Oceanside is a good spot to go. They're always really well stocked with kind of anything you need. Doesn't really matter what, whether you're going deep sea or shore. So it's my suggestion for you. Local business, so I will support that. We'll be up there again soon. Like I always say, if you're not having luck, keep on moving. Just move up and down the jetty and see what you get. Not hook a snorkeler.
Oh, you're fine, man. I'll let you go. Yeah, no worries.
It's part of living in a tourist destination, I guess. All right, I'm back at the original spot. Since I was actually getting bites here, and a lot of these people have left, so I'm gonna fish here for about 5 or 10 minutes and then I gotta bag it. So yeah, this is what we're doing. Give it another chuck with the Lucky Craft. Seeing lots of little fish out here. My guess is if I pull the worm out, I'll be able to snag one from here real quick. We'll see. A couple casts with this, 1 or 2 with the worm, and then I'm gonna call it. Using the natural color sandworm. Here goes nothing. Oh, got one. Oh, what did I get? Yeah, little bass. Right at the end of the day. Skunk is out. Hey, buddy. There you go, guys. Pretty little bass. Not the best day of fishing, but better than nothing. It's gorgeous. Let's get him back. All right, guys. Well, wasn't the most successful day of fishing, but at least I got one, got some bites, had a good time, and came out here, and that was the that was the whole point. I needed to get fishing again. It had been too long, so. Thanks again for taking the time to check the video out. If you haven't already, I'd appreciate the subscription, and also click like on the video. Yeah, and stay tuned for more. I've got a lot of good stuff coming up, just kind of over the next several months. So hopefully I see you on the next one. Thanks, take care.